Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the air filter on the car. So first off, we're going to come to the driver's side and we're going to open up the door fully. We're going to look down in the footwell and we're going to find this lever here. Just give that a pull and then come around to the front of the car. Then there's a tab just above the Hyundai badge. We're going to lift that up and we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. So once your bonnet's safe and secure, we're just going to look around the engine. Obviously you've got your main engine block there, you've got your fuse box over there, and then this is actually your air filter box. So on this car you're not going to need any tools, it's super easy. All we're going to do is lift that flap forward and then grab this bit of plastic here. There's two tabs. Just flip them down and then that allows you to actually pull your air filter all the way out. So nice and simple. This one's been replaced recently, so that's how easy it is to get your filter out. Now to return it, all we're going to do is align it back up, making sure it goes in the same way it come out, and it is shaped. We're just going to push that in like that, do your locking tabs and then click that back over. Super easy on this car, and that's how easy it is to remove and replace your air filter in a few seconds on a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.